Are you tired of hopping from one affiliate marketing platform to another, following endless courses and gurus, only to find none of their promises work? I get it. It's frustrating to see others who started after you, making money while you're still struggling to earn a dime. If you're asking yourself, what now, every day, you're not alone. The good news is that AI isn't your enemy. It's a powerful tool we can use to our advantage. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to start making profits from affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a single follower.
Oh my God! Wow!
This strategy is practical, repeatable, and doesn't rely on luck. In this video, we'll walk through a simple process that you can start using right away to earn from affiliate marketing without an existing audience. And make sure to stick around until the end, because I have a special surprise that will blow your mind. Let's dive into how you can combine AI with a solid strategy to turn your affiliate marketing efforts into a profitable venture. Welcome to all new viewers of Dracula Money Lair. Here, I share my knowledge and experiences on making money online, helping you escape the mundane 9-to-5 grind and create passive income streams. My goal is to guide you towards financial freedom. If you want to stay updated with new videos every week and receive unique tips to improve your financial situation, hit that subscribe button now. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your life. Right mindset. Hold on a second. If you haven't heard about affiliate marketing yet, don't miss out. Grab your free ebook on affiliate marketing for beginners right now by clicking the link below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, so let's ditch the old mindset of needing a huge audience to succeed in affiliate marketing. While building a following over time is crucial, it doesn't happen overnight. Instead, let's focus on something that's been around since the early days of affiliate marketing: the internet. Here's the plan. We'll leverage Google for our strategy. When people need information or reviews, they go straight to Google. For instance, if someone is searching for best TVS under $1, they'll type it into Google, not Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Google then delivers the most relevant results based on their search. Now, you might be thinking I'm about to tell you to create a website and aim for your site to appear in these search results. But no, that's a time-consuming process because SEO isn't something that everyone can master easily. You might also think I'm going to recommend using Google Ads to make your promotions appear when users search. But again, no. As a beginner, I wouldn't advise you to spend a lot of money on ads. Google Ads can be tricky and require a certain skill set. In this video, I'm going to share a strategy you might not have considered. YouTube and Google are part of the same tech ecosystem. This means when users search on Google, YouTube videos also appear in the results. This can save you a lot on advertising costs and help you rank on Google without needing to SEO a website.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Have you checked out what these YouTube channels are doing? They're getting tons of customers without spending a cent on ads. That's right, they're making the most of YouTube's power. What we need to do is create an SEO-optimized video. Don't worry, by the end of this video, I'll guide you through each step using AI tools, so you won't need to spend any money on expensive tools. Stick around and let's dive in. Effortless review videos with AI. So, you're on the right track with a solid mindset. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating a review video using AI. First things first, you need to clearly define your niche. I won't harp on this since I've talked about it extensively in other videos on this channel. Just remember one thing. Pick a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. If you don't know your niche well, you'll waste a lot of time figuring things out. Got your niche? Great. Next, we need to find products with affiliate programs. I'll use ClickBank because it's a well-known and reputable platform. If ClickBank isn't available in your country, just Google best affiliate network in your country. Alright, I'm heading over to ClickBank to choose a product that fits my niche. For this video, I'm going with Ultrac 9 Pro. Now, I'll use the Dracula AI tool and ask my assistant, Carter Shitchen, to help me gather the key points from the Ultrac 9 Pro website. Here's the prompt. Give me the main ideas of this website so I can make a video script. https://ultrac9pro.com. Perfect. Not only did Carter summarize the main points, but she also suggested including testimonials in the video script. Don't worry, I'll share sample prompts and the links in the description below. Next, I'll have my assistant write a video script for me using this prompt based on the above information. Write a video script about 8 minutes long for the Ultrac 9 Pro product. The video must include testimonials. Awesome, now I've got the script. Let's copy it into a word processor and make a few tweaks to fit our style. Once we have the final script, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Then head over to CapCut.com and sign up for a free account. You can use CapCut right in your web browser. No download needed. In CapCut, select the script to video feature. Paste your edited script. Choose the video frame you want and select Smart Generation. CapCut's AI will automatically create the video for you in about a minute. Next, go to the Ultrac 9 Pro website and grab images of the product to insert into your video. Make any final edits to fit your vision. Then click Export to download your video. See how quick and easy that was? From finding a product to writing the script and making the video, everything happens really fast. So, give this video a like right now, and let's move on to the next step together. Upload and SEO video. Alright, we're 80% of the way there. Now, it's time to upload your video to YouTube and start with some SEO magic. When you're doing YouTube SEO, keep these tips in mind. Tip #1. Include the keyword in the title. Our keyword is Ultrac 9 Pro. I'll ask my Dracula AI assistant for a prompt with the keyword Ultrac 9 Pro. Please give me a title that matches the video content above. Perfect. We've got a title that includes the keyword and fits the video content. Tip #2. Make sure the video description has the keyword, hashtags, and video chapters. Again, I'll use AI assistance with the prompt. With the keyword Ultrac 9 Pro, please give me a video description containing hashtags and video chapters. Tip #3. Use tags related to your video's content and target keywords. For this, I'll use Dracula AI's YouTube tag generator. Awesome, right? These are just 3 simple tips to boost your SEO. In the video description, I'll list all the detailed SEO factors, including creating thumbnails and using support tools. Now, go ahead and upload your video to YouTube and fill in the missing parts. Don't forget to add your affiliate link in the video description. Starting a new YouTube channel can be discouraging because you might not get views right away, so make sure to plan long term. Regularly posting videos helps create a habit for your audience and keeps your channel updated, which is super important for new channels. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll help you create an income in this niche. And remember, Dracula Money Lair is here to help you make money online for free. See you in the next video.